This is Music Theory Minute, a weekly series diving into different aspects of a monthly topic. This month we're talking about chord extensions. The sound of a chord changes drastically depending on what chord extensions you include and how you include them. If you want a dark or sad sound, you might go for a minor chord. That's okay. But want something tragic? Chords with a semitone between two of the notes can sound very dark, like this minor add 2 chord. The sound that this interval adds just isn't available with your normal minor triad. Using other intervals can have a ton of different effects too. A D6-9 chord is a D chord with the 6th and the 9th. Pretty, but what if you stack them in fifths? Sounds a lot more open and maybe a little bit curious. Throw in some major second intervals to fill it out a little bit and... open your eyes, Link! You can combine different types of intervals into one chord. This minor 11 chord is 2 stacks of fifths separated by a semitone in the middle. People like to call this a Kenny Barron voicing after pianist Kenny Barron. Without using extensions, these kinds of nuanced, complex chords just aren't possible. For even more options, you can alter the extensions by... whoops, that's for next time. That was Music Theory Minute. Bye.